Hey y'all, we're at Maupas Avenue. This is our newest flip project that we just closed on a couple days ago. This property is 104 years old, so it's the oldest property that we've done by far, I think. I think the next oldest was Tennessee, which you've seen. A little bit about this property. It is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. We're going to create a 4th bedroom and a half bath, so that will make it a 4-bedroom, 2.5-bath house. Couple things that we're going to do on the exterior. Obviously, it needs a new roof. It's got this funky kind of stucco stuff here. So we're going to smooth that out, restore these columns, just bring the house back to life a little bit more of like what it was in the 1920s. We hope to do something different with this front door because obviously that molding is not original. One thing that is original are these really pretty mosaic tiles on the porch up here. Thank goodness they haven't painted over that or, damage these too much, but we hope to restore these mosaic tiles, paint the rest of the porch, and then inside I can't wait to show you. All right, so we're going in the side entry door. This door will stay here, but eventually the front door is actually sealed off right now, so we can't go in the front door. As we walk in, this is going to be the dining room. A couple things about this room. It has this awesome bay window here that actually has a bench seat under it. I'm so excited to restore that and just bring this whole room back to life. It's so pretty. And then as you walk in, the hardwood floors, we're going to restore these. It's got this beautiful applique border around the edges of each room that we hope to keep. With these amazing arches. And then as you walk into the living room, all these moldings, the big fireplace, the built-in shelving on each side. It's just literally a dream come true to do a house like this. So this will be the front door where you'll enter once we're done. In here, we plan to do marble fireplace. I would like to keep this mantle. I think it's just pretty, you don't really need anything substantial because there's already all these plaster moldings around the room. I plan on painting the entire room like a really pretty green. I'm not sure how dark I want to go or how light, but we'll see how that turns out. Obviously, so I said marble around the fireplace, I think. Redo the floors, and this view right here. So these steps lead up. You turn to the left, there's the staircase upstairs, but if you go straight through, that is the kitchen, which I think is just super cool and unique. Let's go check out the kitchen. So in the kitchen, you have to be very careful right now. The floor is literally falling in. There was an awful leak here that has just destroyed this whole post and this whole subfloor and all kinds of things. Jonathan could tell you more about that. The kitchen. So this was the original kitchen. I assume we are going to keep this space, the kitchen. We're going to do a super long run of lower cabinets here and on this side, stove on this side, fridge on this side. We're going to do 3 windows here with the sink centered underneath. No upper cabinets. And currently, there's no laundry room. We're going to do like a stackable closet here where it will look like, maybe a pantry or something like that. So it'll be disguised. You won't know that that's your laundry room in the kitchen. And then in this crazy space, which used to be the pantry, we're going to create this as a half bath, which I'm so excited because we're going to do wallpaper for the first time. It's going to be really pretty and dramatic. By far, this is going to be my favorite design. This is a door, pretty sure we're going to keep. Plenty of cabinet space, tons of storage. This is currently where the hot water heater and all kinds of stuff are in there. Anyways, hot water heater is going to go away. We're going to close this off. This is how we're going to create the 4th bedroom. So on the other side of this wall is the 4th bedroom. We're going to create this into a closet. Well, right now it's office. Then it'll be the 4th bedroom, and this will be utilized as the closet. So down here, this is this office that I was talking about. There's no closet in here currently. So we're going to create that closet space. We are going to do a stand-up shower in here, really pretty marble tile, toilet, really pretty vanity. Not a ton of storage, not very big, but you have the option to have your master downstairs, which is always a good option. As you can tell, the previous owner has done a lot of demo from us, but for us, but thank goodness they kept the moldings around the windows, baseboards, really big baseboards, really pretty doors, glass doorknobs, and then the moldings around the doors. This is a nice coat closet here. So let's go back this way and go upstairs. It's really hot up here. So this is just really cool. They've done a lot of demo already, but luckily there's a lot of the original hardwood floors still in all the bedrooms. We will have to do a really big patch job matching the floors here in this landing. Obviously we'll add a stair rail here, hopefully to do an iron stair rail. This is the full bathroom upstairs now. It's pretty tight. The plan is to make it larger. So this closet will go away and this whole bump out will come out to here. So the opening will be here. There'll be an opening from this bedroom. So this is your second master option up here. So this room is bigger. So if you like the idea of a bigger room, you'll still have the bathroom attached upstairs. And each room up here, thankfully, has a closet. So this will be bedroom number 2. Love these big windows. And then this, bedroom number 3, which really you could use this as your master. It does have a beautiful fireplace, which is amazing. You know, if you don't mind not having your bathroom, attached, I would use this as the master bedroom. Or this could be, another seating area upstairs. But that's it. This is going to probably be one of our longer projects too. There's a lot of things that have to get done, behind the walls before we can even get started on the pretty stuff. So this one I'm definitely really excited about. We've always wanted a house like this to renovate. They've always kind of slipped away when we have found some. So we have finally gotten one, and I can't wait to show you the process.